She likes her snowman.
I know, it's looking out pretty good. You see a smile? Now let's turn this off.
She likes tissue paper.
Look, Ellie. Look, Ellie.
Can you eat it? Hi, Ellie. Grab it, honey.
Yeah, know what to do. Here.
Poor thing, she's tired.
You open your ears?
And happy first Christmas. What is it?
You're not so sure about this, huh? Oh. What is this?
Oh!
What is this? Is this a doggy?
It's a bunny.
Is it a bunny? What is that bunny?
Daddy.
You want your bunny? Your bunny.
Here you go.
Ellie. Is this your own cell phone? Now you won't be wanting Mama's cell phone. Oh, we like this. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
She's like, not so much.
She likes it though. Which one you want to open next?
Oh, I don't care.
Ready? Ooh, what's this? Ooh, Ellie. Look at your toy.
What is it, Ellie?
Oh.
Poor thing. What do you think?
I really like this.
Oh, she wants it.
I think she likes it.
Okay, let's do the other two
Yeah,
really
I want-
fast because we're going to lose her. She's so tired. It's late for a baby girl. You watching Daddy open?
What's this, Ellie girl? Open it up.
Oh.
Feel. You feel? Feel it. Oh. Oh.
You like your new book?
Okay, let's do the last one before you get tired. Or before too tired. Lean it over.
Nice. Where's our burp cloth? There it is. Silly girl.
Need some blocks? You need some blocks? Look at your blocks. You see your blocks? Yay! Merry Christmas! You call somebody tell Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas! Say Merry Christmas, Daddy. Why is she sitting in there?